Hello guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Hello. Hello Gohul.
Hello, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, guys, we are back.
Yay.
So today we are going to do a hide challenge in Free Fire.
Today we are playing hide and seek challenge. So, in training actually, yeah. So who's going first?
I'm hiding first.
Okay, Gohul is hiding first. Today we are having a like collab with Eldo vlogger. Say hi Eldo. Yeah, Eldo's voice is still cracking.
Guys, the rule is if you find the hider, shoot him out.
Okay. Until you shoot him, you won't win.
Oh.
Okay.
The match. I'm going hiding. Okay.
Okay, Go will go first. Until Go will finish hiding, we won't go inside the thing, inside the training area.
Combat.
Yeah, combat zone. Okay. I'm come on, everybody. Let's go.
You are coming.
We are coming, Gohil. Okay, I am here inside the game. So many people are there.
I don't see you.
We had to find him. Yo, who's killing me? Who is Rocky? Everybody is killing me. Wait.
Hiding there.
Shit, this guy is hitting me. I hate that.
I don't know where are they. Where is Gohil? Hi.
Idiots.
Okay, I killed someone. No problem.
Don't talk censored words.
Okay. Where? Oh, who's that? Okay, somebody shot me with the AWM. Who are you? Don't play with this pro. Gohul, give us a hint. Gohul, give us a hint.
I saw it. I got.
Gohul, hint. Gohul, give us a hint.
Just give us a hint, bro.
Small hint.
No.
Chota hint,
You
chota
have
hint.
to find just small.
Yeah, they killed him.
Haha. So Gohul spawned somewhere over here.
Why am I going 19?
Yeah, I don't know. Everybody is going 99 plus.
How much time will kill me?
Okay, everybody is pro.
This such a dumb head. Oh, thanks, bro.
Yeah.
How much do it take to find me?
Oh wait, who is that on the? Oh, Gohul, we found you.
No, don't say you found me.
Wait, bro, I am coming. Wait, this way. Hey, he escaped. Yes.
He found me.
Yes, we found him.
Now who's hiding?
Now we'll go to the target zone. Everybody come to the target zone.
This thing, target range.
Everybody come to
Everybody
the.
got the target range. Now who's hiding?
Eldo, come to the target range.
Hello, come to target range.
Target range. They killed me, man.
Yeah, okay, Adi is here. Eldo, where are you?
I came out. Wait.
Yeah.
It's not down.
Now who's hiding? I found you, now I will hide. Now I will hide.
Please go ahead.
Okay, I am hiding. Nobody can find me. Let me get the guns. 1 second. Okay, I am ready.
You are not shoot, okay, Chris?
Okay. I'll tell you when I'm ready. I'll tell you when I'm ready.
When you reach, say yes.
Okay. Everybody's killing me. Wait, I'll take revenge. Okay. Okay, I'm going to the hiding spot. Oh! Okay, no problem. Wait, okay. Sabur, sabar karo. Okay. Wait. Okay, come on in. I am hiding.
Okay, you are finished, Chris. Oh, I came headshot. Some shot at me.
Wow. Nobody can find me over here.
I am getting so badly shot.
Nobody can find me over here. I am in a super secret area.
Go walls.
Glue walls on the top of that building. You will get.
I saw you. Go. I saw you. I saw you guys.
Oh,
You don't
wait.
need to see me, bro.
Wait.
You
I
have to
can
see
see.
this.
I can see somebody is near me, and somebody is in the factory.
Abhi, yaar.
Somebody is Adi is still in that place. Target zone.
Man, this all
No,
of
bro,
this.
like this Wi-Fi, I don't know what happened.
Okay. Oh,
Where is this?
you can't find me. Just give up, bro. You can't find me.
You must hide and seek.
Where are you?
Why don't I find you, Chris?
Where
Why
are
can't we find
you?
this?
Wait, I'm killing someone. Oh no, I died.
I saw you.
I died. Okay, please don't spawn near. Oh, thank goodness. Hide.
Son. Arey, is that not you, bro?
Wait, I'm
Is
hiding.
that you?
I'm back to the same spot.
Wait a second.
I'm back to the same spot.
Wait a second. Yes, I'm having it out.
Bro, there is 3 people actually like Chris, okay? There is 3 people. I was so happy.
What doubt, Gohul? What doubt?
I'm having it out.
Okay, come fast.
Yeah, I'm having it out.
Come fast.
You were spectating?
Wait, where is he? You are giving me the.
At least you didn't revive.
Wait, I am
Nice.
just taking a small peek.
Man, who is killing me this
Are
time?
you spectating, bro?
No, I'm not spectating. I'm still hiding in the same spot.
I'm having it.
No, I'm not spectating. Oh, I'm taking risk.
Chris, container. But actually, there's 3 people with the same dress, man. That's the main problem.
Wait, I see Adi.
I'm thinking if Chris is spectating.
No, I'm not spectating. Promise.
How much I'll find you, man? How much?
Where? Wait. Oh, I saw Google running. Hey, who's that? Hey, who is? How dare you?
I see you, Chris. I saw you, Chris. Don't worry.
Where are you?
I'll take a sniper and come to you, Chris.
Oh no.
Yeah,
Okay, I had to hide in a. No!
man, the
Again I died.
people.
Oh, yes, I killed Adi.
I got you, Chris. He was there.
Save us.
Go. I found Chris. Come out, I found Chris. Now I'll be the hideout.
No, you have to kill me, bro. Then only.
You have to kill him.
I saw you, Google. You're on top of the same spot.
I killed you, no?
No, you didn't kill
You
me.
know, bro.
You didn't kill me. Someone else killed you. Come fast, Google. Come fast, Aryan. Sorry, Eldo. Oh, no. No, you wouldn't kill me.
Kill someone.
Okay, find me. I can use a gun, no problem.
But you can't shoot me.
Okay. Now I won't shoot you.
I saw you. Chris, man. Chris.
My mistake.
I think Chris can.
Oh, Adi is near me. No, don't kill me. Oh, Google, no. Oh, yes. Google died.
Chris, you're dead. You're near me.
Google is dead.
Man.
Yes.
Shit, no, yaar. Okay. Now who is no, Eldo is hiding. Okay. Google found me. But if you want to see what happened to Eldo, then please drop a like for this video and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next part of this video. Till then, peace out.